So what's up, guys? I'm going to do a little bit on a video today, but I just wanted to show you guys a quick thing about the importance of making sure you clean out your tackle box after the season or even after a tournament, because this is what I got from the season last year. I probably found about 7 or 8 weighted hooks that I needed that I couldn't find during the season. So these are all my soft plastics that had different hooks in them, whether they were weighted hooks or just regular hooks. This is all of my soft plastics. It's probably about 25 in total. Gotta clean up the tackle box. I also wanted to take the time today to talk to you guys about like some of my underutilized gear. When I was going through my bag today, it was funny. I actually found that I have like 18 spinner baits, like just, like simple ones like this. A lot of them have been in there so long that they're actually like wore out like this, but I just don't use them. Like I have 18 spinner baits, and the ones that I go to the most common are the ones that are really, really simple. I use a MEPS number 3 or number 4 spinner pretty much all the time. It's just silver and orange with a little treble hook at the back. Super simple. Also, I bought this guy last year. I threw it once. I haven't caught anything, so paid $5 for that. Here's another spinner. And then I also have, where did it go? This guy right here. Live target bluegill. I've thrown this thing so many times. I've had a few blow-ups on it, but I've never actually caught anything on it. I think that's probably user error. If we're being honest, it's my fault. It's always my fault. I'm married. I'm used to it. Now here's some things I'm excited to try out this year. I can't wait to get out on the yak and put some of these things in the water. Some of this is just me trying new things. Hopefully you guys can see this. So this is a little Ned rig. I'm going to make it look better. But I got some soft plastics with just weird things on them from the sports show at the Novi Expo Center this year. And I just think this is going to look really cool in the water, sitting upside down with these little tangly things moving around it. But who knows? Who knows if it'll work or not. I got these wonderful things from China for like, I think $1.60 each, and they actually look really good for $1.60. I got 3 of them. I can't wait to put these in the water. Good little swim baits. Should be a good time. These guys right here. This color Ned rig. These are the Guggen baits. NATTLIN Reds. NATTLIN Reds. NATTLIN Reds. Let's go with NATTLIN Reds. Rattling Neds. This color is actually crawfish color. When I saw these, I was like, these are going to be magnificent on Lake St. Clair. I can't wait to get out on the yak and actually put those in the water on Lake St. Clair. I got these vial bugs. I have other vial bugs, but these are the first green ones that I have. I'm excited to put these in the water. Hopefully it'll work out well. And then I got some zip-a-crawls. I got these at the boat show, the sports show, whatever you want to call it, at the Novi Expo Center. And then I got some Houdini shad to go as trailers on some of my chatterbaits and other things. Probably gonna mess with them and cut the tails like I've seen some people do. Hopefully it'll work good. And oh, these right here, can't forget about these. I have no sponsors. I'm not sponsored by anyone, but when I saw these lifted jigs at the sports show, I couldn't pass them up. The way that they're set up is just awesome to be able to put your Ned rig on and make it weedless. The way that this little curve right here down here at the bottom is essentially as much as you hook in at the bottom, and then you run it through up here. But I think these are going to be really good. I'm probably going to invest in a lot of these. I'll probably have like 50 of these before the summer's out. Anyways, guys, appreciate you guys. red beard bass, and yes, the beard is coming back. It's probably going to take me till spring for it to actually look like a beard because I'm white trash and my beard just doesn't grow in. I got the Joe Dirt syndrome. Bye. Also, guys, the thing that I wish I could tell you the most that I gained from 2019 would be knowledge and wisdom while fishing. But in all actuality, the thing that I gained the most of in 2019 was soft plastics. I literally went from having like 2 or 3 bags of soft plastics to I'm actually at the point now where I have so many soft plastics that by the time 2020 tournament season starts in Michigan, I'll probably actually need to have a bag just for soft plastics when I go out on the kayak. And I know a lot of you guys are already there, but it's a big area for me of improvement because I didn't typically use soft plastics. I kind of stuck to like the same 4 baits that I knew. And I also didn't use many things other than spinners and the few soft plastics that I used, which were Carolina rigged worms. Just simple stuff. Didn't drop shot, didn't Texas rig. Learned how to do both those things this year. I think I improved on my skill set a lot and just can't wait to like really see what 2020 brings with all the new things that I learned last year. And also going to start journaling this year from advice that I got last year that I didn't take, but I'm going to need to take now. Also, my eyes wander like a crazy person, like this, like that, like that. But I'm crazy, so it's okay. Bye!